Hello, thanks for tuning in to our March newsletter. I'm Zach Yelton with Coastal Shores Landscape. We're here in the midst of enjoying a really nice spring day. It's getting a little warmer, and these early springtime temperatures make us anxious about seeing the yard green up. We want to get out there and see things change in our landscape and see them improve, and they're getting there. They're getting there. You'll slowly start to see things come back. Many of our plant materials have already started to surge with growth, which is good. But I will caution you, we are looking at another freeze, a potential freeze and frost in the middle part of next week, Wednesday, Thursday. Right now they're forecasting temperatures into the low 30s. So if you've gone out and bought anything in the garden centers, be aware of the freezing temperatures that may come next week, and bring those plants a little closer to the house or cover them so that they're protected in this frost. We are very excited about spring. By now we've completed most of our winter pruning task on your property, cutting back things like our tender perennials, crepe myrtles, ornamental grasses. If you see anything on your property that we've not done or that you would like to have us do in the way of pre-spring pruning, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. I'd love to come and meet with you, or just direct the crews to do that next time they're on your property. Another thing that we're working on steadily right now is treating the spring broadleaf weeds. We've had a couple of weeks of warmer temperatures, not much frost lately, so we're seeing that surge of those broadleaf weeds come in many of your lawns. So our crews are out there spraying selective herbicide. It's a service that's included in our agreements, and we are steadily spraying those right now. We should start seeing those die out within the next 7 to 14 days. One other thing that we are doing in advance of spring is we're updating our lawn equipment. We're getting brand new lawn mowers this year. It's one thing we believe is to keep very fresh looking, new looking equipment that operates well and is in good shape to take care of your lawns. We've gone to a smaller, tighter, lighter mower with 36-inch decks for many of your lawns. In other cases, we're going to have some nice 30-inch push mowers that we'll be using in some of the smaller yards as well. So we're real excited about those. Those have sharp blades, which is very key. We want to have our blades sharp and ready to go for the spring season. So you'll start seeing, in the way of lawn maintenance, you'll start seeing, although the grass is not growing yet, you'll start seeing our crews do some periodic mowing as they're on your property. We want to get those yards down just a little bit lower than we normally maintain them. That'll help get rid of some of the dead in the grass from the winter, and help those lawns green up a little faster. Many of you have been asking about turf fertilizer. It's still a little early yet for that. We believe in waiting on the soil temperatures to warm up. The reason is, if we put out fertilizer too early and then we were to get a late frost, so let's say late in March, you could really damage your turf and set it back another 3 to 4 weeks into the growing season. So we're going to hold off on our turf fertilizer until the late part of April, early May. We will, however, be doing plant and shrub and small tree fertilizer. That will be coming out here in the later part of March, so be on the lookout for that. Again, thank you so much. We really appreciate you all as customers. I know Rob mentioned how grateful he is for how you've partnered with us in helping our efforts to support the community and some of our nonprofit organizations. And we love you guys. We really appreciate your business. We love the opportunity to work for you. And happy early spring.